Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an Evolve longboard skateboard keychain. So we're going to go ahead and use three programs. We're going to use CorelDRAW to do the logo. We're going to use Freecad to convert everything, and then we're going to use Design Spark Mechanical to put together the model. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up CorelDRAW. And then we're going to go ahead and go to File, check on New 8.5 by 11, click OK. Then we're going to go to File, we're going to go Import, and then we're going to import our Evolve logo. Now I want this keychain to be right around maybe 4 inches long, 3.5, 4 inches long. So we'll go Control Plus. We're going to right mouse click on this, and we're going to say outline trace, and then we're going to say detail logo, and then we're going to go ahead and click OK. Then we're going to drag this copy that we just traced down here, and then we're going to get rid of the raster one. Now what I'm going to do is replace this skateboard type. It's not, the quality is just not there. So this is okay, this looks really good. So we're going to go ahead and get our text tool, and then we're going to start typing in caps, S-K-A-T-E. Okay, so probably going to use that font, maybe make it bold. Then we're going to go ahead and scale it up a little bit, drag in this corner, and then we'll go ahead and, yeah, that's good. So we'll go ahead and click on the actual trace that we just did. We got to ungroup this. So we're going to come down to group, and we're going to say ungroup objects, or you can say Control and then U. We're going to get rid of this, delete, and then we're going to drag this into its place. I'm going to replace this circle here. This is a little janky, so we're going to delete that. We're going to get our circle tool. Click and hold down the Shift and Control so it constrains it. Then we're going to go right to there. Let's give this some thickness, so we'll come up here to the line tool, maybe 4 point. Now we're going to use our nudge arrows to nudge this up into place. And I'm going to change this offset. It's 0.01. I'm going to go 0.004. And then we're going to click on it and make a couple more adjustments. Okay, that looks good. So now we're going to click on the actual text to make sure it's curves. Okay, we're good. Now we're going to click on this bottom text. We're going to come up here to objects, and we're going to say, we're going to check on convert to curves. Everything has to be curves that gets exported out of CorelDRAW. If it's not curves, it's not going to understand what it is when you bring it into Freecad. So we'll go to wireframe. This looks pretty good. Then we're going to go ahead and select this. It looks like it's about the right size, 3.3 or 3.4. This will be good. So we're going to go ahead and export. We want to export as an SVG. So we'll click on that. Let's scroll down to the bottom. It's close to the bottom. SVG is a scalable vector graphic, and we're going to call this logo. Okay. Then we're going to make sure this selected only is checked, and then go to the desktop, export. Okay, now we're going to minimize. We're going to open up Freecad. If you don't have Freecad, it's a pretty good program. It's got a kind of a long learning curve because it's a little bit of a complex program, but once you learn how to use it, you can pretty much do anything with this program. So we'll go create new. We're going to click on the logo we just created, and we're going to drag it in. Make sure you check this SVG box and then say select or hit select. Now we're going to go Control A to get everything. We're going to come up to File. We're going to click on Export, and then we're going to go Logo. Just call this Logo 2. We want to make sure it's a step file. desktop, save. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and minimize. Now we're going to open up our Design Spark Mechanical. We're going to create a drawing in inches. So we'll go ahead and open the program. Come up here to File, New, create a new design. And then we'll change this to Plan View by clicking that eye icon. We're going to minimize. We're going to drag in and evolve skateboard. And then we're going to basically trace this. And then we're going to, this is going to be our keychain, and the evolve logo is going to go here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and create a line to make sure this is the right size. So 4.25, that's not too long for a keychain, so we're going to leave it right there. That's good. Click select to click off. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get the line tool. I'm going to turn off snap to grid or snap to guides. And I'm going to put a line out there in the center of this. 3.831 inches long. If you're following along, we're going to right mouse click on that. We're going to set as mirror. Okay, now we only have to draw half of this. So we're going to come up here and click on there. We're going to drag out 0.221. Then we're going to drag over 0.694. Then we're going to drag up 0.265. Then we're going to drag over 2.419. Then we're going to drag down 0.265. Then we're going to drag over 0.714, and then we're going to finish the board right there. Okay, so this is going to be our base board. We are going to put in some curves, so we're going to get our 3-point arch. We're going to start there. We're going to drag out to go about there, and then we're going to put a little curve in there. Click, select to click off. Now we're going to get our rounded corners, create rounded corners. We're going to create a rounded corner there, 0.104. For some reason it didn't put that in there. That's kind of odd. Okay, let's click there. 0.221. Let's put a line in there. 0.221. Let's do this one here. 0.104. Okay, and now we're going to go around this one right here. Click here. Let's go 0.177. Click over here. 0.177. Okay. So now let's get our trim away. We want to trim away this line here. Any of these little extra lines we want to get rid of. Okay, and then we're going to put in the, this obviously is just going to be flat. We're not really going to round these things, or I guess I could, but you know what, I might just make the board shape and not put the wheels on it. How about we do that? Okay, we'll go ahead and delete there. Okay, let's go ahead and click on the graphic, get rid of it. Let's Control plus to zoom in. Let's go ahead and let's fix this stuff. Let's delete there and then delete this one. Now let's get our 3-point arch, go from end point there to end point there. And then let's make this 0.232 and then do the same over here. 0.232. Okay. I don't really like this line right here, so I'm gonna get rid of both of those, and then we're gonna redraw it in there with the 3-point arch. Click there. Go 0.162, and then let's do the same on the bottom. 0.612. Okay. That doesn't look too bad. Okay, we're going to go with that. Okay, this is going to be our shape of the board. Now we're going to go ahead and put a, let's go turn on the create snap to grid. This is Control plus to zoom in. Let's grab our pan or select our pan. Let's move over and let's put a hole in there. Just make it 0.125. That's going to be where the keychain goes. Not really crazy about that one there. I think it should be more rounded. So we're going to get rid of that line there. And then we're going to go tangent line or tangent arc from there. We'll go to there. And then this one's here to there. Okay. Let's pan over. Might have to do that over here too. Okay, let's do that over here. I feel like I'm redrawing this whole board already, but I want it to look good. Okay, let's get our tangent arc. I'm going to go from here over to here. Then from there, actually let's reverse that. Let's get rid of this one. Get our tangent arc, go from the actual curved part here over to here. Okay, Control minus. Now I'm not crazy about these arcs, so we're going to put new ones in there. Let's get the tangent arc again. I like drawing with that because it goes from the tangent point and automatically curves it for you. Okay, now I'll do the same right here. Okay, this is a little bit too extreme of a curve, so let me undo, get our 3-point arch. That'll let us control the pitch a little bit better. Okay, we're going to go the radius is 6.729. Okay, so we'll do the same over here. Okay, I think it's just right there. No, that's pretty. All right, let's do this. Let's delete. Let's put a line in here. Just anywhere right in the center. Length doesn't matter. We're going to right mouse click. We're going to create set as mirror. Then we're going to grab our 3-point arch. And then we're going to put right there so we know that this is going to be, oh, it looks like it's off a little bit. All right, so we're going to have to, it's off just ever so slightly. Okay, let's get rid of that. Get rid of that one. Get rid of that line. Okay. Get rid of that line. Get rid of that line. Yeah, for some reason that line doesn't look to be centered very well. So we're gonna get rid of all those. Click on the mirror line, and then we're just gonna redraw them in. Get our 3-point arch. Let's zoom in. Maybe that was the problem. I was too far out. Didn't connect right. So let's get our tangent arc. We're going to go from there right to there. Okay, and now we'll pan up. We'll grab our tangent arc. We're going to go from here over to here. Oh, these are just not coming out good. I'm not liking any of these. Guess I'm being a little picky today, but okay, let's go back to our 3-point arch. Let's turn off the snap to grid. Go from endpoint there. And then let's bring that to O point. I can't read what that is. I think it says, all right, we'll click there. Okay, now let's pan up. Let's grab the 3-point arch. Okay, just kind of curve it until it matches the one on top. And then we're going to pan over. We're going to do the same 3-point arch from there to there. Okay, and then from there to there. Okay. That's going to be it. I don't want to keep messing with this, so I'll never get it done. Okay, it's going to be our board. So we're going to go to pull. Let's spin this. Let's pull from both. Actually, let's go here. Let's click this. Pull. Let's go 0.05. Okay. So that's going to be our keychain deck. All right. Now we're going to go click on that face, hit plan view. Now we're going to go ahead and come up here to file. We're going to select that. We're going to change the file types down to step. We're going to double click on our logo too. Click OK on this warning. All right. This seems to be small for some reason. Well, let's put that down there. Let's scale up our skateboard deck. So we're going to click on there. We're going to hit this little box here, and then we're going to scale from that point. And then we're going to undo. Click on that one, pull. Click on scale body. For some reason it doesn't seem to be scaling it. Okay, let's try this. Let's rotate that a little bit. Select pull. Scale. Well, guess we could scale the text. Okay, let's do that. Let's scale the text. Let's go to top. Let's drag a marquee around that entire piece. Let's fill it. Let's go ahead and drag a marquee around it again. Let's go to pull. Go to scale. Scale from A point. And then just scale it down a little bit. Maybe right about there. Okay, now we're going to go move, and then we're going to move the logo into place. Grab the green, grab the red, grab the green one more time, then grab the red. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. Let's go ahead and spin this. Let's pull. Looks like I'm still in scale, so let's select the click off. Let's pull this again. All right, let's do it like this. Pull. Let's hold down Control key to get all these. All right, let's go ahead and pull this. 0.040. Okay, now we're going to go drag a marquee around that skateboarding. Actually, see if I can get it here. All right, let's get rid of this one on the bottom. We don't need it. Delete. Let's go ahead and Control plus. Let's pan down. Okay, let's grab these by holding down the Control key. Let's go to pull. Let's pull these out. 0.030. All right, now let's get, I guess we can get that one and do that too. 0.030. I'm going to get rid of that one. I don't think we need that one. Okay, my dog wants to go out. Hold on, people. Okay, now we're going to have to fix this E right here, which is not a big problem, but let's go ahead and select the skateboard. Hold down the control key, just take your time, get all these. Okay, go to pull. Let's pull this 0.030, same as the logo. Okay. And then this one here, we're going to fix it. Everything looks good other than that. Let's go to top. Okay, we can get rid of that. We don't need that. Delete. Let's Control Plus, show you how I'm going to fix this. Let's go ahead and click on there. Let's grab the line tool. We're going to drag a line across. Might have to drag it out a little far, right to there. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put a 3-point arch in there, and then it should fix the problem. So go ahead and get the 3-point arch, go from there, right to there, click. Oh, actually, click. Okay, select the click off. Let's grab our trim away tool. Let's grab that. Let's spin this. Let's go ahead and pull. I'm going to pull that. Then I'm going to go select the up to, and then I'm going to go up to the deck of the board. Okay, this looks pretty good. So Control minus. So I am going to put some fillets on this. So let's go ahead and spin this. Grab pull. See if I can put a fillet in here. No, it's not going to do that. Okay. Let's go select, click till everything is selected. And then we're going to drag a fillet out of 0.020. It's going to be the entire board. Now we're going to rotate this around. We're going to pull. We're going to click till everything is selected, and we're going to pull a fillet of 0.20. Okay, now I'm going to put one in here. We're going to go to pull. We're going to drag that out. Just go 0.010. That's enough for that. And we'll spin this. Okay, we're going to do the same here. 0.010. And now we're going to go, not crazy about that little point right there. Oops, I grabbed spin when I wanted pan. Okay, this I'm not crazy about, but should have probably been a little bit more mindful of the corners there when I was creating that board, but we'll go ahead and keep it. It's just a skateboard deck, longboard deck logo from Revolve Skateboards. I think it looks good. I don't think it's too bad. I mean, it's not that noticeable. Could always redraw it. So that's going to be our Evolve keychain board, skateboard. So we'll go ahead and go to top view. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy watching and you got something useful out of the video. Okay, thanks for watching.